Hey everyone, Omar here from Tamago and Friends. Today we're making shepherd's pie. We start our recipe off by dicing one onion, shaving some carrots, and skinning some potatoes. If you want to produce less waste, you can use these potato leftovers to make some chips if you want to. Next, I placed our beef into a bowl and seasoned it generously with salt, black pepper, and other seasonings. We do recognize that shepherd's pie is traditionally made with lamb because of shepherds. However, we live in America and I don't readily know where to get lamb in my area, so we're just going to use beef. After seasoning and molding your meat, go ahead and put it inside of the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. While the meat is marinating, go ahead and get your potatoes back out. Cut your potatoes into small, inch-like pieces. Start boiling some water in a stock pot. Salt your water. In a cast iron pan or a regular pan, go ahead and add your meat. Cook until most of the pink is gone. Afterwards, add your onions. Once the onions are cooked all the way down for about 10 minutes, then add your carrots. Your carrots won't take too long to cook as they were already shredded before. Once your carrots are softened and cooked down with the onions and meats, add some tomato paste. This adds richness to your shepherd's pie. Traditionally, you don't add this to shepherd's pie, but I added a bushel of spinach. It was starting to go bad in my refrigerator and I had to do something with it, so I decided to throw it in. Once your water is boiling, add your potatoes. Cook your potatoes until soft. Remove the water from the pot. With a fork or potato masher, go ahead and mash your potatoes. Slowly add some heavy cream to let it thicken up and become mashed potatoes how we normally see it. Here, you can season your potatoes. I added some salt, black pepper, parmesan, and other seasonings. Once done, add 3 egg yolks into your mashed potatoes. This will make them creamier and fluffier, and they will brown inside the oven when we place it inside. For fluffier and lighter potatoes, go ahead and whisk your potatoes together. Continue whisking until you get the desired consistency that you want for your mashed potatoes. Head back to the meat component of your shepherd's pie. At this point, everything should be coming together and your kitchen should be smelling amazing. Add about a cup of red wine. You're going to let this cook out for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once your red wine is cooked down, add your peas. Cook your peas for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can put your potatoes on top of your pie. You can do this in several ways. Some people decide to pipette it, some people just put it on there and slide it around. I kind of did a mix of both. After you've added all your potatoes, go ahead and put it in your oven. Cook your shepherd's pie at 375 degrees for about 20 minutes. You really just want to see browning at the top of the potatoes. Serve your shepherd's pie. If you like this video, give us a like and comment down below. What do you want to see us make next? My name is Omar and this is Tamago and Friends. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.
Oh, hi. So, how are you holding up? Because I'm a potato.